It finally happened. I got a haircut. Thank goodness the barbershops are opening back up. Now I may look Wall Street, but I'm still Shop Street all the way. Welcome back, guys. This week on the channel, we're gonna do 3 easy shop upgrades to keep the shop organized. Stick around. I'm Stoner Ericson from Ericson Design Company. Let's build something. Ta-da! All right, so we found some dead space in the shop. We used to hang our bikes up right here, but they were a little too heavy for my wife to lift off the ceiling and down. So I put something up on the outside for her to use. Now, in my very first video, I did a shop tour, and as I was going around, we ran into the clamp, and I said in that video, if you're entering through the house, this is where I've got my clamp storage. It's a mess. We're gonna build clamp storage. It's gonna be rad. I'm stoked about it. So I think we should start with the clamp storage. Let's get into it. So this corner is my wood storage. It keeps most of my sheet goods, but some of these long plank boards lived there and the clamps kept ending up there. And as you can see, as I start pulling these out, they start falling all over the place. Just a total pain. We need a place to store them. So I'm going to use some 1/2-inch gas pipe fittings, 2 flanges, 2 1-inch pieces, 2 90s, and a 16-inch piece for going across. It's almost like making a paper towel holder. I'll move the bandsaw and drill press right out of the way, and I'm going to pick a spot for this on the wall. I've already pre-drilled the holes after I laid this up there, so I just got to screw them in. There are so many different techniques for hanging up your pipe clamps. I see so many online. You know, I don't have a lot. I'd like to collect more. I'm sure I will over time. And with this system, it's expandable. It does take a larger footprint up than stacking them on top of each other, but this was super easy and super cheap. I'm hanging off this thing like a monkey, and if it can hold all my weight, it surely can hold a few pipe clamps. We'll just stack them up on the wall. Boy, it's nice to have those organized and up off the floor. All right, so next we're gonna start by clearing out some of this long stuff and making a system up top here with just some brackets. Now these brackets are about $6-7 at Lowe's. We're gonna use 3 of them, and that way we can get some of our longer plank storage up out of this area. So let's do that. The first thing I'm gonna do here is measure down a foot off the top. I don't think I'll stack more up than that, and then I'm just gonna put the first bracket in. So I'm gonna grab a board and the level, and I'm gonna level the middle bracket to the board. I'm going to start stacking some of the long stock that I have, and then I'll throw the last bracket on. All right, so that actually is going to work really well. It's about a foot down there. It's about 10 inches out. I can always add a bottom board to make it deeper, but I actually really like that. It gets the long 8-foot stock up and off, and it's kind of hard to get it out of that corner anyway. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to try to make storage for all these dowels. Now, I use a lot of dowels in my Craig jig stuff, and I really like dowels. So I'm going to take this 4-inch PVC, and I think I'm going to attach it to the wall right here, and then I'll have specific dowel storage. So let's do it. I'm gonna make a few viewing windows in this so that I can see what dowels are in there. I'm also gonna do this so I can screw it to the wall. If you like fun and creative videos like this, be sure to smash that subscribe button right now. Do it now. If you want to support the channel, check out the affiliate links. I also have a store, ericsondesigncompany.com/merch on Streamlabs. You can get hats, t-shirts, stickers. It's just a good way to support the channel. Also, check out my Instagram, @StonerEricson. I'm releasing previews to all these videos, and it's a fun way to stay informed. All right, 3 simple projects that you can do. The pipe clamp storage is super cool because it's modular. You can make these longer, shorter. It'll hold about 300 pounds. It was under $20 to build that one. The dowel storage, now I know where all my dowels are, which is super important. I don't have to search through that haystack looking for a 3/8 inch dowel. And then the plank storage is awesome. I mean, I think it's great as long as you remember what's up there. And the beauty is that everything is modular in the shop. So it's actually gonna roll back around and everything's gonna be up out of the way. And then when I need those clamps or I need a dowel, I just grab them right off. Super fun, super cool. I really hope you liked this video. I had a good time making it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Check out my other videos right here. I'm Stoner Ericson from Ericson Design Company, and we built something.